this is Sonia from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. We are going to start memorizing 4 new verses over the next 4 weeks, and it is all about true love. In 2023, when I designed these verses, I put it according to themes, so we're already past Valentine's, but we can still look at love. But obviously the world has an idea of what love is, but we know true love and the demonstration of what love is comes from the Lord. Without that, it's not agape love, that unconditional true love which we get from the Lord. And we start with a nice and easy one, John 3:16. Most people know it. If you want to keep memorizing it in your translation, which you got to know it when you're a child, you're welcome to do it. If you want to switch over to the ESV and you want to start fresh again, you can do that also. So this is the 4 verses. So you can cut it out and you can put it, I usually put it in the back of my box, but obviously I have all the verses already in here because I've memorized scripture over the last few years. So I've already gone look for it. Luckily it was fairly here in the front. So this is our verse we are going to concentrate on the next week for. So you're going to put that behind your daily section. So your old daily verse you put into even. You take your even verse and you put it into odd. You put your odd verse into the weekly section. I think we've done Thursday last, so I'm going to put it behind Friday. So I'm going to take my old Friday verse and I'm going to move it into the monthly section. Yet again, you go everywhere. I'm just choose any place because I've got memory verses behind each one of them. So on that day, I'll just revise those verses. So I hope that's useful. Then obviously you have your practice sheets and your review sheets, which you can stick in your book. Yeah, so if you want to pick up these ephemera pieces which goes with this printable which I've released in 2023, I will also link it here. So if you want to pick it up and you make your book pretty and decorate it with all these things, you can do that also. But this year I'm just keeping it simple. So yeah, I must have a very blessed week. I hope you had a nice and refreshing week of just relaxing, going over the old verses, cementing it in your heart. And yeah, I just want to say to you, well done. I'm thankful that you are here.